Mga ka-showbiz, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, welcome back po sa aking channel. Today's Monday. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Baguio City. Ayan, nasa background ko po, napaka magandang bahay. Ayan o, grabe ang view. So ayan, ito po yung first house natin na nakita, no? Para po sa ating serye. So guys, samahan nyo ako tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung loob ng bahay na yan, tsaka kaganda yung kanyang view. Ito po ay overlooking sa isang hill dito sa may bandang Gibraltar, Baguio City. And guys, pasukin natin yung loob. Samahan nyo ako. Long driveway. Garden overlooking facade of the house. With chimney, big garden, gazebo, overlooking ng mga mountains. Native na gazebo, napakaganda. Shooting down, maraming pine trees. Nandito po tayo sa house number 2 dito sa may barangay Happy Hollow, Baguio City. Yan po yung view, overlooking ng mga bundok. Ayan po yung bahay. So yan, tignan natin. Yan. So yan guys, sinakit natin yung mahabang stairs na yan. So nandito na tayo sa pinakataas ng nung hills na to, ng bundok. Ayan, yan po yung view. Tapos yan po yung bahay kanina na kinunan natin, yung nasa ating background. Ayan yung pinaka bubong niya. So nasa mas mataas na tayo sa kanya. Ayan po. Nakakahingal. Ayan. Ayan o, 360 degree shoot. Ayan, nasa baba sila. Yun. Yung bubong ng bahay. Okay. Garage. From the garage door, dalawa ang main door nya. So guys, bachelor's pad po to. So mag-isa lang si sir na nakatira dito. Single pa raw siya hanggang ngayon.
Wow naman! Wow!
So yan kanyang kitchen. Cute na kitchen para sa isang tao. Ayan. Ito rin yung kanyang entertainment room. Tapos ito naman yung kanyang receiving area. Ayan o. Tapos may dalawang room dun sa taas. So ayan, tapos ito yung kanyang veranda. Ayan, yan po yung kanyang overlooking. Ayan. That's it para sa bahay na to. Main door. Stairs going to second floor. Receiving area. Very big receiving area.
Nagpintas pala yun.
Dining.
I remember before yung mother.
Receiving area.
Ganda.
So ito yung parang pinaka-kitchen nila.
Ano lang ito sa
Nasa gitna yung lutuan.
yung total. Yan na lang sa may ano ko.
Ah, dito rin. Actually, luto nila. Joel Cruz Mansion, Baguio City. Main door. Main door. Reverse shot. Driveway. Main door to receiving area. Another receiving area. Biggest receiving area. Grand piano. Dining area. Another private dining area. Lower basement entertainment area. Swimming pool. Private gym, private salon, Gym, jacuzzi, sauna. From elevator, nasa anong floor tayo? Fourth floor. Hallway, fourth floor, no? Theater room. Ito yung pinaka-rooftop, ano? Rooftop, fourth floor. Stairs going to third floor. Third floor. Shooting down. Master's bedroom. Master's bedroom walk-in closet. Comfort room. Third floor. Another room. Comfort room. Ang lalaki ng kama. Golf course. Ground floor. Bedroom. Magkadugtong Camp John Hay Golf Course.
Dugtong siya sa likod.
Okay. Oo nga, no. Veranda to receiving area. Main receiving area. Basement area going to the kitchen.